Hello student, today we are going to solve some numerical problem of hydrostatic chapter. So first read the question. Convert intensity of pressure of 20 kilopascal into equivalent pressure head of the oil of specific gravity 0.9. So in this question you have to convert the intensity pressure to equivalent pressure head, and in the question the specific gravity of the oil is given. So first you have to write the given data. First question is given the intensity of pressure of 20 kilopascal. So here pressure is 20 kilopascal and the specific gravity of that oil is given 0.9. Here you see, here notation specific gravity of the oil that is 0.9. All of you know that there is no unit for specific gravity. Then what is here we have to calculate? You have to calculate here the pressure head of that oil. So before you are start to solve, first you have to remember the formula of this specific gravity. The specific gravity of the oil is equal to density of that oil by the density of the water. Here all of you know that the density of the water is 1000 kg per meter cube. So question is given 0 specific gravity of the oil 0.9. So first you have to calculate the density of that oil. So the density of that oil is equal to specific gravity of that oil into 1000. So the specific gravity is given in the question 0.9 into 1000. So what will get? Here will get 900 kg per meter cube. This is the density of that oil. So here our aim to calculate the pressure head of the oil. So what is the formula? All of you know that the pressure head H is equal to P by density of that oil into G. Where you got it? All of you know that pressure P is equal to rho G H. All of you know that pressure is equal to rho G H. So here you have to calculate the H, the pressure head. Okay. So H is equal to P by density of that oil into G. So pressure already given here 20 kilopascal. To 20 kilopascal you are converting to the pascal. That's why here you multiply 10 to the power 3. So 20 into 10 to the power 3. What is the unit here? Here Newton per meter square, that is the pascal, by the density 900 already you are calculated here, and G value all of you know that is 9.81. So first if you calculate here you will get 2.265 meter. How? All of you can calculate this value, okay, but unit calculus I want to explain here. The intensity of the pressure P here is convert kilopascal to pascal, that is the Newton per meter square. Here 900 kg per meter cube, and this is meter per second square. Okay, so if you calculate, then you will get the here meter. Okay, this is the pressure head. Next problem. The pressure intensity at a point in a fluid is given 3.924 Newton per centimeter square. Find the corresponding height of that fluid when the fluid is water, and second bit the oil of specific gravity 0.9. So here again pressure is given. In this problem pressure is given, but unit is different, that is Newton per centimeter square. So what to do? You have to convert into the SI form. Then what to do? Here you have to multiply 10 to the power 4. How? All of you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, so 1 meter square is equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. So 10 to the power minus 4 at the bottom, when it will come to top side, it will come 3 into 3.924 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. And here specific gravity is given. The specific gravity of that oil is given 0.9. What you have to do? Here you have to calculate that water. Here you have to calculate the height of the fluid. Height of the fluid. First case you are considering the water. Second case you are considering the oil. So first case 1, you have to calculate the head of the water. All of you know that here same formula, P is equal to rho G H. So here you have to calculate HW, head of the water. HW is equal to pressure P, pressure of that fluid by density of the water into G. So what will get here? That is 3.924 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, 3.924 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Then density of the water 1000 and G 9.81. So if you calculate here, so you will get 4 meter. Second bit. Question is given, the specific gravity of that oil is 0.9. So what to do? First you have to calculate the density of that oil, then only you can calculate head of the water. So all of you know that the specific gravity of that oil is equal to density of that oil to the density of the water. So here you have to calculate the density of that oil. So density of that oil is equal to specific gravity of that oil into 1000. So question is given, specific gravity of that oil 0.9 into 1000. What will get? 900 kg per meter cube. This is the density of that oil. Then you have to calculate the head of that oil. So all of you know that P is equal to rho GH. So H, the head of that oil, is equal to pressure of that fluid by the density of that oil into G. So pressure of that fluid is given 3.924 into 10 to the power 4 by 900 into 9.81. That you are getting 4.4 meter. So hence you are getting the head of the water is 4 meter and the head of that oil is 4.4 meter.